Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And in this video, I'll share my experience when first time all of a sudden I met within tantric, and also there are spirit experiences. And why I'm sharing all these things, because it is again connected to the twin flame journey. So it is really important for you all who are the real listeners, who are real twin flames. So make sure you do not miss any of my videos. So what happened that in 2013 December, I resigned from that airline where I was working with the twin flame. So I joined a new company in 2014 in January, and also I changed my house. So I was living in the same area as he was also living in the same area, so I did not change the location, but I definitely changed my house. Now in that house, after 2 to 3 days, I started experiencing one thing, that there is a masculine spirit who is touching my body, like touching my shoulder. It was a night time, and because I was working in day shift now, so it was proper day shift, and then first time I was working in day shift. So I was like lying on my bed, and the moment I realized it is somebody who's touching my body, and I immediately switched on my lights, and then I said, what is this experience, what I'm experiencing? And then I started chanting a prayer, which I also had this experience in the past when I was in 9th standard, when this evil spirit sat on me and started pressing my neck to kill me. So the moment I recited that prayer, only 2 lines, that was removed, that evil entity was removed. But now this time this was something different. I started reciting the same prayer, but this entity did not stop. He kept on touching my body, and I was like wondering, how is this even possible? Last time it worked, how come it is not working right now? So this entity said, this will not work, so don't even try. I said, you stay, I'll teach you a lesson now, you wait and watch. So I went and took a knife. So knife works in case of removal of the spirits, and it stays away from you. So that's what I knew. So this entity said, don't even try, it will not work. And I went and I brought a knife. I kept it with myself, but this entity did not stop. So he started laughing loudly. He said, unnecessary, you are wasting your time, I can never be removed from you. I said, okay. So I was thinking, how is this even possible? So next morning, the house I had, it was on the same floor, me and the owner, our rooms were in front of each other. So they asked me not to lock my room when I am leaving house for my office, because they had some work to do from my balcony. So I said okay, but then next morning I spoke to this auntie owner, who was lady. I said, this is happening with me, is there some sort of a disturbance of the spirit in the house? So she said, maybe some sort of elders who has passed away, maybe. So she said, you can keep a knife with you, and then it will not touch you, you will be fine. So I knew that I've already tried this and it did not work. So I said okay. And then next, I think after 2 to 3 days, auntie asked me again, is this okay? I said, yeah auntie, everything is okay. So I lied to her, because she didn't had any solution, I didn't had any solution, and maybe she gets scared if I tell her no, it is not working. So I actually lied to her. And then it's been 3 months it was happening, and one night I was thinking how to stop this, and why is this happening? So I didn't had any problem with this spirit, because it was a divine presence, it wasn't something negative, wherein I can recognize the problem what I was facing because of the evil spirit attack. I was going through that since my childhood. So I knew the difference of the presence of this spirit. But then I said, no, this is a masculine spirit and cannot touch my body. This is how I am in 3D world also. I don't let people touch me. So I like to maintain distance from masculines and from feminines both. I don't let people touch me. But now he's touching me. And it's been 3 months, and one day I was coming from my office, and I was going inside my room. So I saw there was one uncle sitting inside the owner's house. So uncle said, come here, as if he gave me order, come here. So I looked at him, I got angry the way he was giving me order to come here, and I do not know him, I've seen him first time. And I said, okay, I'm coming, I'll keep my bag inside my house. So I was having a heavy laptop bag, so I kept my bag inside my room, and then I went there where he was sitting. So auntie was also there, the owner auntie, and he said, sit here. I was standing, so he said, sit on this chair. I was again got upset and angry, like the way he's giving me order second time. No problem, as he was elder than me, I sat there. So all of a sudden, within few seconds, I realized that his face has changes now. He is not the same person. Now there is somebody else is going to talk to me. I realized, and immediately he started, telling me that your father's, house is there, like in that village, and it has these many rooms. It also has this and that. So he started telling me a lot of things. I said yes. Okay, because I knew I have been visiting that place, that is the ancestor place. So I knew whatever he was telling me, it was all correct. But as it's been 10 to 15 minutes, I did not give him any shocking reaction because I wasn't shocked. So he kept on telling, and then after 15 minutes, he stopped. He said, now I have to leave because I have come from very far. So the owner auntie was, about to say something, and so I gave her, I said, no, you stop. So auntie did not say anything, and then he asked me to bring water. He took that water and then he left after 5 minutes. Now auntie said, I wanted to talk, why did you stop me? He stays in, our neighbor only. He is a friend of my husband. How come he lied? So I said, don't worry, he wasn't the same person who was telling me all these things. He was actually talking to some spirit who came on his body. I can see all these things. So auntie said, okay, the topic got, ended. So she said, he stays here in our area itself, like very close to our house, and he lives with his family. So her friend, his wife is her best friend. Okay. And then I think within 10 to 15 days, this owner auntie said, can you please come along with me? I'm going to visit my friend who stays in our area. And if you come along with me, I can come early from there. Otherwise, she's so stubborn. She will keep me, with her for till the evening time. She will not let me come early. So if you will be there, I can give her excuse that, you have to go to office, you have some work. That's why I have to leave. So I said, okay, no problem. We can go and I can come back in 1 hour itself. So she said, yeah, that will be right. And then we went. So as soon as, we reached her best friend's house, I saw that the moment we were entering this, I saw that uncle. So I said, oh, it is the same, friend. So I greeted that uncle, and then I saw that he was doing something, stitching of the clothes. And auntie came, his wife, and greeted us, and then we were talking. So auntie was about to bring water for us, for me and the auntie who came along with me, and immediately uncle called me again, come here. I said, okay, now he's calling me again. The day he called me like that, I went there inside that room where he was doing his work. So he was in some sort of clothing business. So I saw the room he was sitting. It was full of images of the divine entities, like the pictures we kept. So entire room was filled with all those pictures. So I was somehow happy. I said, wow, uncle, you have kept so many divine entities pictures. Looks like a sacred room. So he said, you did not, I think, realize that the way I told you a lot of things on that day, you did not react. You did not even give me any sort of reaction that I told you so many things. So I am a tantric also. So he said he's also a tantric. So he has two professions. One is tantric and another one is his clothing business. So he has a lot of, powers when it comes about spiritual powers. He didn't have any knowledge, but he had powers. That's what he said. And a lot of people reach out to him for the solutions and all. And then I said, okay. And then immediately, when I was going outside to sit with auntie, so he called, auntie to talk to his wife. So I realized they both were talking silently. I could not hear anything. It was so silent talk. Not even a single voice was coming. Though we were sitting close outside the, that room only. So auntie came and auntie brought water. So I did not want to drink that water because I realized this is a tantric's house. I understand he's a normal looking person, but he is into all sort of tantric activities. But then I thought uncle is tantric, auntie is a normal one. I took that water, but then after a few moments I realized this water was chanted with mantras and all for the Vashikaran. I like sort of spell work, and then what happened, this auntie said, daughter, that you keep coming to our house, we will be happy, you stays nearby only. And I also have a daughter, who is about to complete her college or the school. You can guide her for the career, we will be so happy because you are working in a big company. So I said, okay, no problem, I can guide her, but let her complete her 12th standard first, or the graduation, I exactly don't remember. And since that day, I think after 2 to 3 days or within a week time, this auntie, the wife of this tantric, came to our place where I was living. She was sitting there, and then I was at home, or probably it was a weekend, time only. So she said, you come to my place. So I said, no, I have some work. But then she was so stubborn that she holded my hand and took me to her, place. And now, as she was elder than me, so I was hesitated, in denying her, and then she took me at her place. Immediately she started serving me tea, and then water, and then food also. Okay, I could not deny, it was so forceful. And then since then, what has started happening, that after 15 or 20 days or within a month time, she asked me 40,000 rupees. And then I gave her. She said, I will return because it is an emergency, I'll return you in these many days. I said, okay, no problem. And then she did not return that money, and she asked again. This started repeating, and it got repeated for an year time. So the money she previously took, she never returned it, but she kept on asking for money almost every month, sometimes, twice in a month. And I kept on giving her. I never thought, why am I doing this? But yeah, I realized one thing, that there was some sort of power which was pulling me inside their house, in their, family. I realized that, but then I still, ignored it. No, because it was out of my control now. Also their business started getting flourished, because yeah, it happens because of my presence. So they did not realize that, but then yeah, they were happy. They were having money from two sources now, one from myself, and also their business was growing. So as 1 year completed, I think they took more than 1 lakh rupees from me, and never returned even a single penny. And I also did not ask. Now what happened, that after an year time, I thought, because the spirit who touches my body, and I thought, why not to talk to this uncle has knowledge about this, he is into this, so maybe he can give me some sort of solution. So after an year, I was again sitting there. So I said, uncle, I want to talk to you. He said, yes. I said, this happens with me, this a masculine spirit touches my body during the night time. So he got shocked, how come he doesn't know this, and it's been an year time that I'm going there. So he checked, and that time he was given a permission by the divine that this tantric can talk to this spirit. Before this, he could not even get to know that such thing is with me. And the moment he spoke to the spirit, he was literally so shocked, that how come is this possible? This girl is coming to my place since 1 year time, and I am not aware, and this never happens. I always get to know whenever there is any spirit or entity. How come he did not get to know? So he said, the spirit you have is actually a divine entity who is protecting you. So this is with you since childhood, and there is no power in the world who can remove this entity from you. Nobody means nobody, not even him. So he said, I understand that I cannot do that, but then no other person can remove this. So now I was shocked. Also, he said, why do you want to remove him? He is such a good, divine entity, and he doesn't harm you. He has been protecting you since your childhood. Also, he reminded me of two of my experiences. Like one, when I, tried ending my life in the 11th standard, I decided to end my life that time. So he said, he saved your life that time. So I realized, yeah, when I was in the hospital, there was a masculine who was making me, awake. I remember that. I said, yeah, this is a true incident. Another incident, he said, you met with an accident. Did you realize that there was a masculine body who holded you in his arm, took you towards the sky? I got shocked. I said, yes, I know. And this I experienced, and I had this question, who was that person who took me in his arms towards the sky during that accident? So I realized something has happened. And then he said, there is no solution for it, and this entity is such a good entity, divine entity, that I, being a tantric, I'm always looking for such spirit, but we do not get it, and we can't hold these spirits, as I can bind other spirits, but I cannot even I didn't even had permission. I was given the permission to talk to this spirit. So now also he said, he loves you that as he's been with you since childhood, he loves you so much. And I said, now I was thinking, I was about to laugh. Like, I had so many lovers in 3D life, and now there's somebody in the spirit world who loves me. Was this really required? And so I said, okay, what to do now? I have to live with this person, can't do anything. So he said, he's like your best friend. He always supports you like nobody can. And he really helps you a lot. He told me a few other things, and I was like, okay, but then why does he touches my body? He said, there is no solution for that. I said, okay. And now this, tantric was shocked that, there is a divine entity wherein I am not involved into all these activities, and this entity is with me since my childhood. Now what happened? So he realized, the business, all of a sudden which started growing, it was happening because of divine presence, that divine entity's presence, wherein I know this happens because of myself. Yeah, that divine entity also plays a role. But then what he did that all of a sudden we were having some sort of discussion about the career, about the professional life. He was asking something about my work. We did not have any sort of, talk about this spiritual thing. All of a sudden, divine, okay, no, so all of a sudden he said, there is no God, there is no divine, it's all evil, spirits. I said, no, you said you worship divine entities, you work with them. He said, no, it is just to show off, to people so that they believe us. He only works with the evil spirits. I was shocked. And then, okay, no problem. So he said, there is no divine, there is no God, it is only evil. Now I realized he's not the right person. Another day, I think maybe within 2 to 3 days, I was again sitting there, as it's, I was going there back to back because of this, mantra chanting, what he did, all the activities or the spell work on me. So all of a sudden, again, we were not discussing any spiritual topic. This one entity came on him. He told me it's a divine entity, the name of the divine entity, which I know that. So he said, I will tell you the location of your future spouse. I said, okay. I didn't even ask for it. All of a sudden, a spirit came on him and telling me that, I'll tell you the future spouse house. He started telling me the location. Okay. I said, in this area, wherein I was not in a relationship, but then now this was directing towards this, the house of this twin flame, because he and I was living in the same area, and I did not know anyone else except my cousin's family, who were immediate relative. So when he started telling me the location, so I knew the block of the twin flames, where he was living, but I did not know his house number. So the moment he told me his, the block, and I got shocked. I said, is this destined that I will get married to this person, and what is he telling? So he told me entire location of his house, where, on which floor he stays and all. So I did not know that, but I knew this is his block. I said, okay, tell me the name of my future spouse. So this entity said, no, do you think you are so smart that I'll tell you everything? And then this entity gone away. I said, this has been a play done with me. What has happened now? I am trying to go away from this twin flame, and he is telling me that I am binded with this person, that I will get married with this person. No, I do not want that. But I said, no, maybe, it is too much, because he did not tell me the name. Okay, so this was the experience. And now since then, what happened when, all of a sudden when this uncle said, like, he worships evil, not the God, not the divine, and no divine exists. So I realized these people are not right people. And then I noticed it's been 1 year. I have been kept on giving them money, and they have not returned single penny. And I kept on giving them again and again. So since then, I started maintaining distance. So uncle also told me this, his wife, auntie, also knows all sort of, this tantric activities. He has taught her everything. So she knows everything. And that time I realized, that this auntie has been adding things into my food, water and tea. That was the reason that I was pulling back to their home again and again. So when I started, maintaining distance, these people started calling me. So I said, no, I'm busy. I have a lot of work, so I cannot, come. I started giving them excuses because, also now what happened, as I was not going there, they were also not getting money. So they were like, getting bothered. How come it is, happening? So they thought maybe I am genuinely busy. They came to my house. Then auntie took me to their place. And now I was literally upset. So again, I started, maintaining distance. They saw that I'm getting angry now. And one day I asked, like, return my money. I've given you a lot of money. And they were shocked, how come, it's not working now, the thing they were doing on me. So what they started doing, they said, yeah, I'll return money, but then all of a sudden I fall sick. So they called me, how are you, is this okay and all, just pretending as if they do not know. So they said, come to my home. Okay, so I went there again. So uncle said, you are not feeling well these days, because your ancestors are, spoiling your health. It is affecting your life. I said, okay, then what is the solution? He said, I can remove this. I can remove your ancestors. I said, okay, do that. That was the biggest mistake. Now, I was not supposed to do that. And since then, what has started happening, he actually somehow removed the divine protection, because I had a lot of divine protection from the, ancestors also, wherein I came in a cursed family, but then still. So, now, immediately, I was falling sick again and again. Also, I saw that I was not able to, save money. It was going all either in the, hospital, or going in their pocket, or here and there. But I saw a lot of instability in my finances since then. I realized these people are doing some shit, and I need to maintain distance now. So now, again, the company I was working, which the one new company I joined in 2014 after, leaving that airline, this uncle also told me that, this manager who is this and that, he's also into tantric activities. I said, no, how is this possible? He's a normal looking guy. He said, yeah, he's a normal looking guy. I also look normal. But do you think that I'm not a tantric? I said, no, I've seen a lot of things here. Then I know that you're a tantric. But then he said, what this manager does, he, sometimes brings one biscuit, one entire biscuit, not a packet of biscuit, just one biscuit. And he breaks a small amount and give it to all the females. Did you realize? I said, yeah, that's the truth. So one day he gave me also, I did not eat it because I was angry and upset, because he was a characterless person who I said, like, you will do the good morning to me now. So he said, he done some sort of spells and then giving all the females. That is why all the females are under him. And you did not, he's also after you. But then something he said. So he said, this manager is into tantric activities. So he's also doing some sort of things on you. And that is why your health is affected. So because you ate, thing which he gave you. Now I realized, I remember I never, eated all those things which this manager was giving. I understood that it was true that he was into tantric activities, but I never ate. So I realized this uncle is doing, wrong things on my health. So there, I started maintaining distance. But then again and again, I was falling sick a lot, as if like I would die immediately. But I kept on taking medicine, kept on going for all the checkups. It was not working. It was, happening on the gap of 15-20 days or a month. And at the same time, I was also, experiencing those health, problems on new moon and full moon. So I realized this started happening again after, distancing from the twin flame. But then this, falling sick again and again, this was something like, no, I was not able to handle it. So it kept on happening. So I started, focusing on prayers and doing my morning worshipping. But then as I left that company in 2014, wherein I was so bothered and getting into depression again and again, and health was spoiling, no stability in finances in 2014. So I resigned after an year time, and then I joined a new company. So their new journey was starting. I was able to do my morning worshipping because I was going into complete day shift. So I had a lot of time. I was able to do this, morning worship. So it started helping me. I was able to maintain this distance from this tantric family. So now since then in 2015, a new journey starts. That I will share in separate video, because again there are a lot of important information, and all these informations are connected to the twin flame journey only. So keep listening. This was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.